Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make these simple and quick envelope. Um, I've made a few samples to show you. So in my previous video, I was talking to you about the pattern paper collections that I have. So I have picked a few from that pack and now I have made some. I'll be showing you how to make these, okay? So you actually don't need any pattern papers or something. This is just the color papers that we can get it in the stationery shops that we have. And because this is very simple, I just added some embellishments to it. You can draw, you can paint, you can do anything that you want. So let's start. If you saw the previous video, I showed you this pattern paper pack. So I will pick one paper from this pack and I will show you how to make the envelope. So this sheet says happy birthday, so you can make an envelope with the sheet and gift someone on their birthday. So, and this is a nice floral print. I think I'll make it with this. I'll show you the demo. Yeah, very easy, like you can just tear it up. There's no measurement and all, like it's very simple. You need a paper and then you need some glue and you need a scissor and then a small cutter, like most of them have, I hope. Even with scissors you can cut, but I usually prefer this. I'll show you why, okay? So there's no measurement at all, so it's a very simple and easy method to make envelope. Now this is the printed paper side, so just flip it and then fold it, okay? There's no measurement. You can just fold it, like it should be more than half or something. That's the only measurement. You align the paper and then you just press, okay? This is the first fold. See, it is like more than half. I've just folded it. The second fold, you will have to make it somewhere here, so that the first you are just overlapping the first fold, okay, like a little, so that you can glue them down. Again, you just align it correctly and press it down. So that is it, okay? This is the first fold and this is the second fold. Now just open. You can use any glue that you want. If you have double-sided tape, will also do, but don't take the foam, like the thick ones. There are thin sheets that has double-sided tape, so you can use them. I am just going to add some glue at the very corner of this. Once you're done, just stick it and press it a little so that the glue sticks properly. Now we have this closed. The next step is just fold a little from the bottom, like an inch or something, and press it. Okay, and then take scissors and you will just need to cut it in the corner, like so. Okay, and you'll do it in the other side as well. Just a small. All right, that is how much you will cut. Now just fold the first flap. That there are two flaps, so fold the first flap. You can cut it using the scissors, but I prefer using this cutter. So it's easy because it's folded. You just need to cut it like this, so it makes it a little easier. That is why I prefer using it. So this piece is okay, the one of the flaps we just cut out, and then you can fold this, and again we will be using some glue. Make sure you press it nicely so that the glue sticks to the paper, and if you have any extras you can always wipe it off. Again we are repeating the same step on the other side, because we will need to put the card inside the envelope or letter, whatever you want. So press it, but make sure this is a little bigger than what you already did. Like if that was 1 inch, then just make sure this is like 1.5 or 2, something like that. Again we are just cutting the corners like so. It doesn't have to be very perfect on one. This is just the flap, so you can cut it however you want. I think I cut this too much, so I'm just going to make it like even. So that is it. Again we will cut the first flap. So this you can fold it. So that is the end. So it was super quick, very easy, and you know, you can make it with normal papers, with pattern papers, anything that you want. So these are from the same pack. This one I got it from Craft Treat. So this is the paper pack. Like I will give the link in the description box. It's Craft Treat, and the best part is it is made in India. So I really encourage everybody to buy products from our country. It helps a lot for our economy. So you know, I really like this pack, and you can see this is the same pattern. So this is it. And then like if you think you don't want to spend a lot of money and all of that, these are color papers. Okay, they are I don't know how much they measure, but look at the price. This is just 15 rupees and you get 20 sheets. So using these papers only I made these two envelopes. And again this is this are just beads. We can get it anywhere. This I got it long back. I'm just making use of it. So still this looks very decent. It is very quick. You know, there is this space, there's enough room, and you don't have all of that. You can still leave it simple, like no decorations or something, and still it looks fine. There's space. So and I have, like, see, it's nice. This paper is actually from my journal that I did last year. I did have some extra pages, so I just took one of the papers. So it's nice. You can write something to your friends, your family. anybody, and you can put it inside the envelope and give it to them. It looks very nice and very colorful. So thank you all for watching. Bye bye.